The first electric doorbell was invented in 1831 by Joseph Henry. Doorbells were initially hand-cranked, and some early versions used actual bells to create sound. The world's most expensive doorbell is encrusted with diamonds and costs over $2 million. The first wireless doorbell was patented in 1993, offering more convenience and flexibility for installation. Some modern doorbells have built-in cameras and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing homeowners to see and communicate with visitors remotely. Doorbells are now often used as a security measure to deter burglars.